divide.
Okay, this is our train coming in.
Travel in the correct part of this train. Due to short platforms, customers for New Milton should join the front 5 coaches. Customers for Christchurch should join the front 7 coaches, and customers for Oakstown for Boston should join the front 9 coaches. Customers for Poole, Hamilton, Hilton Heath,
There's another one over there.
Morton, Dorchester South, Upbury, and Weymouth should travel in the front 5 coaches of the train.
So we need to be in the front 5.
Yep. Platform 9 for the 1712 Southwest train service to Weymouth.
There's that other 444 over there.
The train now approaching platform 9 is the 1712 Southwest train service to Weymouth. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap.
Oh wow! On the front. And look what it says on the side. And that's it.